Hi guys, it's Katie. I'm the manager of the MediaWise project. I wanted to give you a heads up on some really cool stuff that's coming up for the project in January. Okay, number one, John Green is launching a 10-part series on his Crash Course channel that's teaching all the awesome MediaWise skills and tips and tricks that we talk about all the time on our Instagram channel. Number two, we are launching our teen fact-checking network, which is going to be virtual. So there's going to be teen fact-checkers from all over the country working with us to debunk all that crap on the internet. Okay, last one, number three, we're going to be holding a giant MediaWise week, really, in Houston. We're going to be doing 3 huge events at 2 different high schools and 1 middle school, teaching over 1,000 students MediaWise tips. So if you've been wondering where Allison and Hewett are, it's because we're preparing for all this stuff. So we're going to be back with fact-checking tips next week on our story, so please come back and have a great weekend.